When compared to Hindi, English is a very difficult language to learn. Hindi is 100% phonetic, unlike English. So to make this process simpler, Anandaya Foundation has created books to break down the technique of learning. And this makes it simple and easy for the child to read. All these books make it very simple and easy for the child to read, but breaking down the technique is very necessary. If your library has been created by the Anandaya Foundation, you will find all these books there. So after reading the sentences, the child is now ready to read the stories with blends. Stories have a more structure to it. They start with an introduction, a problem and a solution, and they are more satisfying for the child to read. So the Anandaya Foundation has stories, many books with stories in it. Again, they follow the Golu Molu series. So let me show you how the book looks from inside. We again use the same series, the Golu Molu series. Golu Molu on a Trek, authored by Ananya Podar, Anandaya Foundation. Molu has a plan for a fun trip. He asks Golu to come with him. Golu packs her bag. She packs buns and jam as a snack. They are glad to go on a trip. On the trip, they go for a long and fun trek. They are glad to go on a long and fun trek. So again, if your library has been done up by the Anandaya Foundation, you will find the books there, or else please purchase it using the following link. Thank you. To purchase Anandaya Foundation books, email to reachus@anandayafoundation.org. For digital books and the tutorials, visit www.anandayafoundation.org.